how to grow eyelashes fast, naturally and effectively. If you're dreaming of longer, fuller, and healthier eyelashes, without spending tons on serums or extensions, then this video is for you. In this video, I will share effective tips to grow lashes fast naturally. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Mix aloe vera gel and olive oil together, then apply it on your lashes with clean mascara wand. Aloe vera nourishes and strengthens the lashes. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E and healthy fats that deeply moisturize and promote growth. Tip 2. Use a silk or satin pillowcase when sleeping. A silk or satin pillowcase reduces friction and lash loss. Tip 3. Use castor oil on lashes at night and then rinse with water next morning. Castor oil is a popular natural remedy for growing longer, thicker eyelashes. It's rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, which nourish the hair follicles and strengthen lashes. Tip 4. Use coconut oil on lashes. It's great for moisturizing and strengthening eyelashes. It helps prevent breakage and keeps lashes soft and healthy. Tip 5. Be gentle when removing eye makeup. Use a gentle oil-based makeup remover. Soak a cotton pad, press it softly on your closed eye for a few seconds, then gently wipe without rubbing. Always be delicate when removing makeup to avoid lash breakage. Tip 6. Blink more often. Blinking eyes stimulates the lash line and keeps it hydrated. Blink more, especially when you're staring at your phone. Tip 7. Take makeup-free days and let your lashes chill. No makeup for some days gives them time to grow stronger. Tip 8. Clean and wipe down your curler weekly, and never curl after applying mascara. It makes lashes stiff and easier to break. Tip 9. Cleansing your face gently every night removes dirt and makeup buildup from your lash line, keeping follicles healthy. This simple habit prevents lash breakage and supports faster, natural eyelash growth. Tip 10. Constant eye rubbing from dryness or allergies causes lash loss. If your eyes feel itchy or tired often, use gentle hydrating eye drops. Tip 11. Too much sun exposure can dry out your lashes, just like it does to hair. Protect your lashes and your eyes by wearing sunglasses when outdoors. Tip 12. Heavy falsies or strong glues can pull out your real lashes when removed. Choose lightweight lashes and apply with a gentle glue. Avoid applying it too close to your natural eyelash roots. Tip 13. Brushing your eyelashes daily with a clean spoolie helps stimulate growth. It also spreads natural oils along the lashes, making them stronger and healthier over time. Tip 14. Doing a gentle eyelid massage daily can boost blood circulation, reduce puffiness, relax tired eyes, and even help with eyelash growth. Tip 15. Placing cold green tea bags on your eyes can soothe the lash line and reduce inflammation. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and caffeine, which helps strengthen lashes and promote growth. Tip 16. Rice water toner pads gently nourish the lash line with vitamins and amino acids. Rice water toner pads promote stronger and healthier lash growth. Using them daily can hydrate and refresh the eye area while helping to reduce lash fall over time. Tip 17. Curling your lashes with a warm spoon is a gentle, heat-free trick that lifts lashes up. Just press the curved side of a slightly warm spoon against your lashes. Hold and press for a few seconds for a natural curl. Tip 18. Use vitamin E oil on the lashes. It helps condition and protect your lashes. Gently apply a small amount along your lash line at night using a clean brush. Tip 19. Waterproof mascara may give long-lasting wear, but it can be harsh on your lashes. It has dry formula and hard to remove that causes lash breakage, so avoid regular use. Tip 20. To keep your lashes healthy, avoid rubbing and gently pat your under eyes instead. Rubbing your eyes too often can weaken the lash roots and causes lash fall. And there you have it. This is your complete guide to grow longer lashes, fast and naturally. Be gentle, drink a lot of water to keep them hydrated. I hope this video was useful. Stay tuned and I'll see you all in the next video.